Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. So today I am gonna do a little Grinch craft. Of course, I love the Grinch and it's Christmas time, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys a very simple and quick, easy crafts this month for Vlogmas. So I am beginning with this acrylic keychain. I'm gonna take off the plastic protector. It does have it on both sides and I couldn't do it with my nails, so I am using a toothpick. Make sure you do this, guys, before you start doing anything, because yes, you can't bling over that. You need to take it off. So this is how it looks now, ready to prep. So yes, I do need to prep this because I'm gonna be bedazzling it. So I have my napkins right here, I have my nail file, and I'm gonna file down the whole entire thing, the front and the back. If you only want to bling the front, only file down that side. You don't have to do the other side, but I am gonna bling both sides, so I'm filing down both sides. You want it to look like this. Everything needs to be filed down. This helps for the rhinestones to attach better and last longer. So I'm gonna dust off my hands and my nail file, and now with an alcohol wipe, I'm going to wipe it down on both sides, making sure all that dust is removed and the keychain is clean. This is how it should look. I'm gonna let this completely dry while I clean up my mess. Now this is how it looks once it is dry. Okay, this is what you want. Now I'm going to apply the vinyl. So I got this vinyl off of Amazon.com. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. Honestly, I feel like it's more of a sticker than vinyl, but it still works, guys. So if you do want them, I'll link them down below. So when I applied this, I did take my time making sure it was exactly where I wanted it to be. Do not press it down until you have that desired look. You see how I'm just like placing it, seeing if I like it, removing. Once I got that desired placement, I pressed it down, all of those face features, and I very gently removed that transfer tape, making sure everything was still in place. Take your time when doing this, because you don't want it to accidentally pull and you rip the vinyl. So this is how it looks now. I'm not going to apply vinyl to the back. You guys are going to see what I do with it, okay? So next step is to color it in, because the Grinch is green, right? So I have my green Sharpie right here, and I am going all around the rest of the keychain with my Sharpie. Everything. I am not painting over the face features, just throughout. As you guys see right there, I am doing all the front areas and the back of the keychain as well. So this is how it looks now. Now I'm going to do the back. And this is how it looks now. I'm gonna let this completely dry. Put the Sharpie away. Look, my hands are all green. And now it's dry. So now it's time to bling. For the face features, I have some black rhinestones right here in the size SS5 and SS3. I also have some yellow rhinestones, AB rhinestones, in the size SS4. I am going to be using Liquid Fusion as my adhesive, and I am going to start off on the eyes, working by sections as usual, only applying a tiny bit, and with my toothpick I am going to spread that glue. And now it's time to bling. So I am starting off using the AB yellow rhinestone to fill in those eyes. So I did not have any more smaller size rhinestones for the eyes, so that is all I have. And that's all I used. I did have still little gaps in between those rhinestones for the yellow part, but that's fine, guys. You're not always going to have every single size, you know, so just work with what you got. Make it look as good as you can, and it's still gonna give that illusion. You guys will see how cute this looks at the end, okay? And then I just went in with the black ones as well, filling in all those black edges on the eyes. So I did both eyes and this is how they're looking so far. I am continuing with the rest of the face features, the nose and the eyebrows. Same thing, applying the glue, spreading it with the toothpick if needed, and then applying the rhinestones following the features as a guide. Remember to always take your time, work by sections, and double check your work. And now I'm going to let you guys watch me bling for a bit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. And this is how it looks now that I'm done filling in all those face features. Now I'm going to work on the rest of the face using those AB green rhinestones. I am starting off on the edge first, doing a nice thin line of that glue, working by sections. I am using size SS16 as my main size. And then I do have some rhinestones in the size SS6 as my fill-ins. And I'm just going to continue all the way around following that edge with that size 16. And this is how it looks. So now I'm going to continue in the inner parts, working from the top to the bottom. So again, working by sections, I did apply glue all right there on top of the eyebrows and in between, and I just started filling it in. Again, using the 16 as my main size. I did have that SS6 as well as a SS12 to fill in gaps. Again, I did not have rhinestones in all the sizes. I know I usually do, but today, guys, it's last minute crafts, okay? So we're gonna work with what we got. And this is what I had. So I filled those in as much as I could. These are more of the basic sizing, so this is how they sell them as a package. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, still came out good. So now that I'm done with that section, I'm going to continue with my edges, following again with that size 16. And in the areas that it did not fit, I just filled it in with the smaller rhinestones, as you guys can see there. And it still looks good, right? So again, just continuing in that inner areas, filling in those gaps, and then working my way to the middle. Also, make sure that your rhinestones are not overlapping. Like I say, always double check your work, especially like in this situation that I don't have rhinestones to fill in all the gaps. I want to make sure that they do fit and I'm not forcing them in to a certain spot, you know what I mean? So yes, always double check your work. And now I am working above the smile here. I am just going to continue my rows kind of in like a circular motion to the middle, working row by row. You guys can see those rows coming together. Pretty simple, guys. And just a FYI, this project did take me about an hour and a half to complete. I did time myself, and I am going to continue to for the rest of these Vlogmas crafts. I'm telling you guys, these are last minute crafts, so I want to make them super simple for you guys. So finishing up right here, this is how it looks, guys. Super cute, right? I did let this completely dry. And then now I'm going to work on the back side. So again, this is very simple, guys. I just don't want to leave it like this. I don't like it. If you want to leave it like this, that's fine. You don't have to bling anything, but I have to, guys. So I am just going to go in circles all the way to the middle, working row by row, as you guys can see here, doing the same thing I did on the front of it, doing the whole outer edge first, and again working my way to the middle. Pretty easy and simple, right? So I am pretty much done right here, guys. I did let this side completely dry as well, and these are my results. So now that it is completely dry, it's time to attach the keychain. Super cute, right? So using some pliers, I am going to open up that jumping ring, making sure it is wide enough to apply the acrylic circle into it and then close it up. By the way, shout out to 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽's Journey, guys. Go check out her channel. I'll link her down below. That so kindly gifted me these super cool keychains, guys, that I'm using to show you guys how to craft this super cute Grinch blinged out keychain. So go check her out, guys. Thank you in advance. So final results, guys. What do you guys think? It is complete. I love it, guys. It's super cute. I could not leave that backing alone. I had to bling it as well, because you know keychains are like all over the place sometimes. So if it flips, I want to see that bling still, you know. So I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I applied it to my bag. What do you guys think? Super cute, right? Oh my gosh, you can use this for your keys, you can use it for your purse, or if you want to make them to gift them, you can do that as well, guys. It definitely is super cute. So guys, as usual, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. If you already did, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Go check out all my other Vlogmas videos, guys. I've only done like 3. It's like day 4 right now, but still, stay tuned. Don't forget to turn on all your notifications so you don't miss out any more videos coming soon. Super cute, right? I love it. I love the Grinch, guys. I added more charms. Is this too much? I don't know. Let me know. Okay, guys, I gotta go. See you tomorrow. Bye.